Hi everyone, thanks so much for stopping by my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you my salmon recipe. Now salmon can be a finicky fish, and if you cook it for just a bit too long, it just doesn't taste the same. So stay tuned for my technique to make the perfect salmon fillet. So I'm starting off with 3 wild-caught salmon fillets. I'm using avocado oil, but you can use olive oil as well. And I'm using a vinaigrette here. This is an Asian vinaigrette with ginger, sesame, and turmeric, but you can use whatever marinade you'd like. I'm adding a dash of cayenne pepper, no salt seasoning, garlic powder, and oregano. And I'm using my hands instead of a spoon because if you use a spoon, you can easily break up the salmon. And I'm going to cover the salmon, leave it on my counter for about 15 minutes in the marinade. I've added some avocado oil into the pan, but of course, if you have olive oil, you can use that as well. I only put 2 pieces of salmon at a time because my pan wasn't big enough for 3, but if your pan is big enough for all 3, by all means put them all in at the same time. And then I'm adding some of the marinade into the pan, and I'm adding a bit more of the vinaigrette into the pan as well. And then cover. After about 4 minutes, I usually check on the salmon, add some of the marinade on the top, and then cover again. So you want this on for a maximum of 8 minutes. After the 6-minute mark, I checked the salmon and I did cut one of them in half just to see if it was cooked through, and it needed about 2 more minutes. And after 8 minutes, the salmon was perfect. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this recipe, please click on that like button and don't forget to subscribe.